everyone and welcome back. So after the conversation class, it's time to begin with our today's maths class. So what we are going to do in maths today? See, yesterday we have done about subtraction. Ma'am ne aapko we have done some few sums also, and we have learned what is the meaning of subtraction. So subtraction means to take away. What is the meaning of subtraction? It's to take away. किसी चीज में से हम कोई चीज निकाल देते हैं. That is called subtraction. Clear? And today I am going to teach you something which is actually known to you, but we are going to learn that under what topic? Things that go together. So what are things that go with each other? कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो एक दूसरे को complement करती हैं, या you can say they complete each other. For example, you all love to eat what I can say is bread butter, jam or bread, isn't it? And sometimes we apply sauce also in it. So can you tell me, have you ever seen anyone eating rice with sauce or rice with jam? No, because they don't go together. Then one more example is, have you ever seen anyone eating drinking milk with sauce mix करके? No, we can have milk with toast, with bread, yes, then we can have it with biscuit or cookies, but we never club our milk with sauce. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि you will mix sauce and milk and you will take. No. So there are few things that go with each other. This is what our today's topic. So we are going to learn about those things that go together. Clear? So few examples are there on the board. Let us just first see and understand them. So the first picture here I have is a cloud, or you can say a raining cloud. The rain is coming. Then we have a matchstick. So what is a matchstick? मैच बॉक्स देखा है आपने, जिसको हम माचिस कहते हैं. The one we always keep in our मंदिर, or you can say पूजा room, to light up that diya, or when we want to light up our birthday candles we use that. So this is a matchstick. Okay, and what is this? A letter, an envelope. What is this? It's a tire. It's a tire. So tire कहाँ पे यूज होते हैं? Are we using tires in our chair table? Yes, sometimes in chair. Okay, we have moving chairs. But have you ever seen these type of tires, the big one, in your furniture in the school? आपने आपके स्कूल की chairs में या tables में देखा है इनको? No, we don't have. Or if you have ever seen these tires in you can say with animals इनके साथ चल रहे हो? No, we don't. So there is something here which is matching the tire. Tell me, have you ever seen a candle with a tire? No. Have you ever seen an umbrella with a tire? No, we don't need tires in umbrellas. Then we have car, and I have a post box, a letter box. So have you ever seen a letter box on tire, or a tire which is attached to a letter box? No. So this tire is complementing what? Where we can see in a car, हमारे जो भी ट्रांसपोर्ट होते हैं, अगर हम उसमें से टायर हटा देंगे, will that able to move? क्या वो चल पाएंगे? No, they will not be. So we need tire with cars, scooters, buses, other vehicles like bicycles, even your tricycle or bicycle, the one which is made for kids, smaller in size, they also have a tire. The size is different. They may vary in size, but they will not move without tire. Isn't it? So tire and car, they go together. So we are going to match them like this. Okay? So we are going to match them like this. Now, next we have is a matchstick. So why we need a matchstick? What is the use of this matchstick? Either we need to light up a candle, or light up a diya, isn't it? So anything, any picture which is matching the matchstick. Matchstick से हम कौन से picture को match कर सकते हैं? Do you need a matchstick for umbrella? Are they having any connection with each other? No, they are not. तो अब ये दोनों तो मैच नहीं हो रहे हैं. Then we have a candle and a letter box. So where we use this matchstick? How we can use it? We use it to light up this candle. अब आपको candle lighten up करनी है. So what do you need? You need a matchstick, isn't it? आपको matchstick की need रहेगी. So we are going to match them like this. Done. Next we have is a letter. Now from where we get these letters? From post box. From when we want to send the letters, हम कहाँ post करते हैं? Again in the letter box. Letter box में से ही ये letters निकाले जाते हैं and the postman distributes it. Isn't it? This is the procedure. So now the letter is always related to letter box. अब आप umbrella में तो letter post नहीं कर सकते. Neither you can make a use of car. कार और letter का तो कोई use ही नहीं है. They are not attached to each other. What is the connection between a letter and a car? No. So letters are always posted in letter box. So we are going to match them. Clear? So next we have is umbrella. So when we use this umbrella, either it is rainy or it is very sunny outside. So here we have the option of rainy. So what we are going to do? We are going to match these two. Understood? Not only these, there are many other options like paint brush and a bottle of color. A paint brush का use आप तभी तो करोगे until and unless you will be having colors. How you are going to use a paint brush? You will not be able to use. Then there are another examples. If you are having your kid near you, now see, this is my pouch. I am having lot of things in it. Stationeries का बहुत सामान है. So I have a pen, then a scale, then I have stapler. So all this are stationery item, and I have kept that at one place, isn't it? अब आप मुझे बताइए, अगर इसमें क्या है? Is it possible that I will keep my food, my chapati, sabzi in this? No, for that I need a different box, isn't it? So the pouch or the stationery, they are connected with each other. Eraser and pencil. So how you are going to erase? अगर आपकी कोई गलती हो गई है when you are writing with pencil, so what do you need to erase it out? You need an eraser. So pencil and eraser, they go together. If you are not having anything to write, how will you write? So you need pen. If you have a pencil, you need a paper also. So like this, there are a lot of things that go with each other. Things that go together. Have you ever seen a spider? मकड़ी देखी है? So if there is a spider, definitely there will be a spider web. मकड़ी का जाला होगा तभी तो आपके रूम में मकड़ी आई ना. So this is how we can say there are a lot of things that go together with each other. Clear? So few examples I have told you here, and there are a lot of examples in the book as well. So what we are going to do? We are going to do the work in the book and understand how different things go together with each other. So the work to be done on page number 16 and 17. So I just write here book page number 16 and 17. So these are the two pages which we are going to do. So let us see how we are going to match the things with each other that go together with each other. Okay? So class, now open your maths number book 2. Number book 2, and when you will open this book on page number 16, see here page number 16, when you will open this book, you are going to find the topic things that go together. Clear? The topic which we are doing today, things that go together. So first thing is to understand together. Together मतलब एक साथ. क्या चीज़ें हैं जो एक साथ यूज़ में आती हैं. ओके? So the very first thing we are going to write today's date, that is 25th September 2020. So here I am going to write 25th September 2020. Clear? And this is your classwork. So we are going to write CW here. So now just see the question. Match the things that go together. So there are few pictures given. अब आपको क्या करना है? We are going to match those things that go together with each other. So the pictures are a lamp, a table lamp, then we have a pillow, then there is an umbrella, a bird and a matchstick. So can you see a matchstick? Again I am repeating, a table lamp, a pillow, an umbrella, a bird and a matchstick here we have. So now what are the other pictures given? A bed, raining clouds, electric bulb, then we have a candle and a nest. So now what you are going to do, you are going to match those pictures with each other that we use together. ठीक है, जिनको हम एक साथ यूज करते हैं हमें उनको मैच करना है. Okay, and for this work we are going to use our pencil colors. Yes. So now here the pencil colors are there with us. What we are going to do, we are going to take different colors for different objects. So first I have taken blue color and the first picture given is a table lamp. Can you tell me where or with what object the table lamp will match? A bed, some clouds, some raining clouds, an electric bulb, a candle or a nest. Yes, we need a bulb. If there will be no bulb in the lamp, will you be able to use it? No. So what we are going to do, I am going to match it like this. Clear? Next is we have a pillow. Here we have a pillow and bed, clouds, candle and nest. So can you tell me where we use this pillow? We use it when we go for a sleep, and if we want to sleep, where you are going to sleep? On a bed. So pillow is always matching with bed. So what we are going to do, I'll match it like this. Done? Okay. Next we have is an umbrella. So can you tell me where to match this umbrella? Raining clouds, candle or nest? Umbrella will go with raining clouds because we use this umbrella in rainy season, isn't it? So what we'll do, we'll match it like this. Done. Next we have is a bird. So where a bird lives? In the nest. Bird lives in nest, isn't it? So we are going to match this bird and nest together. So now after matching the bird and nest, it's time to match the candle with matchstick. Yes. And for this I am going to take a black color and we will do this matching. Sorry, I have taken a brown color here, not black, it's a brown color and it's done. Clear how you are going to do this matching? Okay, next is we have to match the patterns. See, few patterns are given here. What you have to do, you are going to observe them carefully. Sleeping lines, then there is a color scheme here, then there is standing line, we have polka dots, then we have circles here, again we have some dots and a plain circle. Clear? So these are the patterns we have. Now what we have in the other side? Similar patterns but they are in a different order. जो order ये है उससे different order में है but there are pictures similar. So you have to match those which are similar to each other. जो एक दूसरे से similar है, we are going to match them. Again we are going to use these pencil colors. So the first one we have is these sleeping lines. So can you tell me which one is similar with this circle? Which pattern is similar? This one. So what we are going to do, we'll match it like this. Class, I have already taught you the patterns before vacations. If you remember, हमने patterns किए थे. So you just have to observe it. It is just a sort of practice for you. Next we have is standing lines. So can you match it where we have similar like this? This is the one. So we are going to match them together like this. Okay. Now next we have is polka dots. So polka dots. Can you match these polka dots? This is the one. So what we are going to do? We are going to match them now like this. Done. Next we have is the circles, or you can say something which is similar to a dartboard. Now tell me with the other one similar to it. This one, the last one. So what we are going to do, I am going to match them both like this. Then we have black dots on olive color. So black dots on olive green color. Can you tell me where it is? Here. Okay, we'll use a different color and we'll match it. Now we are left with only one plain circle here and here. One plain circle here. They both are similar. So yes, they are, and we are going to match them both like this. Clear everyone? So this is how you are going to do your work on page number 16 as your today's classwork. So things that go together. See, we have matched the things that we use together, like a lamp and a bulb, a pillow with bed, umbrella when it is raining outside, then a bird with nest and a matchstick with a candle. And we have also matched the similar looking patterns. So this work is on page number 16. Now moving towards our today's homework. Homework to be done on page number 17. Clear? So the first thing you are going to do is write today's date, that is 25th September 2020, and this is your homework. So you are going to write HW like this. Okay. So now again match the things that go together. So what are the pictures we are having? A spider, a petrol pump, then we have a letterbox, we have a monitor, then we have a mouse, electronic mouse, I would like to say it, an electronic mouse. Then we have a spider web, we have a car here, and we have letter. So you are going to match those pictures which go with each other. Again the same, we have one more group, a wristwatch, a shuttlecock, a needle, a paintbrush, a tire, and here we have a racket, badminton racket. We have a hand. Basically this hand is showing you the wrist. Then there is a car, a bus, a roll of thread, and some color. So what you are going to do? You are going to do the matching of the pictures with each other that go together. Clear? जो pictures एक दूसरे के साथ मैच करती हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू मैच, जो पिक्चर्स एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मॉनिटर विद एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक माउस, अ स्पाइडर वेब विद अ स्पाइडर. सो यू आर गोइंग टू मैच देम एंड प्लीज डू दिस वर्क यूजिंग योर पेंसिल कलर्स ओनली. ओके क्लास? So class, I hope you have understood today's work. I was only able to draw few pictures, so I have given a proper explanation with the help of book. You must have understood. Now try to find out some such objects and pair them out and see, are they going together? And if you are making some other object pairing with each other, तो क्या वो actually एक दूसरे के साथ use हो सकते हैं? Like I would like to give an example. If you want to eat Maggi noodles, so are you able to eat those noodles properly with a fork or a spoon? So just try to find it out. Or when you want to eat chapati, so either you need vegetable or you need jam. Are you able to eat chapati with rice? Are you able to eat rice with dry vegetable? You need either dal or you need something which is having curry in it, isn't it? तो dry vegetable को rice के साथ खा सकते हैं या नहीं? So these are few fun activities which you can see and observe. So are you able to eat chocolate with sauce? Sauce में dip करके chocolate खा सकते हैं? No, we cannot. So these are few things which you can try and enjoy your learning and can better understand the topic. Okay? Bye for now. Meet you soon with a new topic. Take care.